Are you struggling to boost your revenue? You're not alone. Many businesses face this challenge daily. But what if there was a solution that could transform your sales strategy? Introducing Subly's subscription-first funnels. It's designed to skyrocket your revenue and engagement. Imagine elevating your checkout conversion rates instantly. With a free one-time product at checkout, your sales will soar. Increase your average order value effortlessly. Offer discounted products mid-purchase to keep your customers excited. Maximize your revenue per customer with ease. Upsell discounted subscriptions post-purchase, creating loyal subscribers. Subly's funnels stand out by tailoring offers to your subscribers' needs. Use conditional logic to chain offers that resonate with them. Join satisfied merchants like Luke Close, who saw a significant increase in average order value. Try Subly for 14 days, completely free. Don't miss out on this chance to revolutionize your business.